that gal that she bad. I am my wife, my nigga, she gang. Better than alcohol, smoking and drinking alcohol.
رقيقة وحلوة روحي وأكتر بنتي حياتي الله يخليها منى 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 منى.
Okay guys, so I just like blow dried my hair. I used the Panasonic EHK11. My aunt got me this from Dubai, so I'm sure you can get it from like Argos or some shit like that. But look how big, I feel like I have an afro. Look how big my hair has gotten. Yes bitch. I would actually like to go out like this one time. What are they gonna say to me, bitch? You know, I feel like, you know those pages on Instagram and those like dark skinned girls, yeah, like really dark, like dark berry girls, and then like they're really thick and then it's like black excellence and they're just like, do you know what I mean? That's what I feel like right now, bitch. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, are you deep? No, I don't think it. This is only one side, and look how long that is. Oh, listen, got it cracking again, and no. I don't want to certain. Ashanti or fixing what? I finished straightening my hair, but look at those. Look at the length though. Talk about Brazilian, I've got my own Brazilian though. Okay, I think I'm gonna go style it and then I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So, be right back. Okay guys, so this is the end of my hair. Like, it's so long. I'm actually so gassed. I haven't figured out how to style my hair because I haven't had it straight in so long. Oh, but let me see how it works like this. So hey, chill out. I mean, either way, I like it, to be honest. I just need to figure out how I'm gonna style this afterwards. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have the same texture hair as me, you know, this will be cool for you. And by the way, when I finish straightening my hair, I put coconut oil or olive oil at the ends because I didn't use heat protection. So it is what it is. I don't see the point of buying heat protection if I don't straighten my hair. But yeah guys, so that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, share to your friends. Make sure you guys add me on Snapchat so that we can discuss like what kind of videos you guys would like to see. And yeah, that's the end of it. I'm your girl Mona, your Mona, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!